Hey guys, how are you? I'm going to show you what I did on this Beast camera arm to fix that tinging on this little 1/4 inch headless bolt that they have here. Let's go do this. Hey guys, so here we are. Here's the fix that I came up with for the Beast camera arm. I know I'll get some comments in the section. You spend the money on this camera arm, you shouldn't have to fix anything. Almost every product you buy out there, you're going to find something possibly not right with it. This one we just had that tinging sound, but if you strap down your head, your camera head, onto here, it's going to take care of that tinging sound. You just have the tinging while you're setting up, or this is a little loose fit. Maybe that comes out if it's rattling and comes out. But I am going to fix that for you. And if you remember in my other video, which I'll put at the end, the difference in price between this Beast camera arm and the Lone Wolf camera arm, and the Beast camera arm fixed the issue with the tilting that I was experiencing with the Beast bracket right here. Awesome. Check out that video. But we're going to address this, that tinging. I think you can hear it. So my original one, when I was talking about that in the other video, I had talked about putting a bolt with a head on it, because this is a headless bolt, tightening it up on the bottom, coming out the top, and then you put your head on there. You're not going to have that tinging before you even put the head on there. But when I was going through some of my other camera gear, and then I went on to Amazon, I was looking, because I like to support the local stores, but my local camera shop did not carry any of them. So we're going to take this out, and I'm going to show you what I'm replacing this with, guys. And I'm also going to stick it up in the corners for you because I got two of them here. I'm going to show you the first one. This is what I purchased. A quarter. All right. We're going to screw this on. Putting it in, tighten it down. No rattling. Put your camera head right on here and you are good to go. Now, I'm thinking, well, what happens if I have my camera head, or I switch the camera head, or when you're walking out into the woods, that little plug that's in the bottom of your camera head that changes it from a 3/8 to a 1/4 inch falls out, you lose it, something happens. So what are you going to do? So the other one that they had on Amazon that I found, and like I said, up in the corners, I'll have prices for you. This one is a 1/4 3/8. 1/4 3/8. So we can put the 1/4 3/8 in there. 1/4 down into the hole. No sound. 3/8 thread now for you. If your camera head has the 3/8, you are good to go. You may be switching between camera heads. You may be putting your iPhone on here and you have a different mount because you don't have your video camera. And that's back to 1/4. Then you're going to have to put the 1/4. But do you want to take this and look for this thing? So I thought, I'm going to drill a hole in the top here, thread it, and I can put this in because they gave you clearance where I could put that right in here, and I wouldn't have an issue. I could put this in there and store it. But then I'm sitting there going, hey, this is pretty thick right here. So guess what? Take this 1/4 inch, and I can screw it right in the bottom. Tighten that in there. And now I've got both pieces right there. And when you close it, you still got about 1/8 of an inch right there. Don't know if you can see that. You still got 1/8 of an inch between the bolt and the bottom of that one. And now you have got options, which is always great. So the one in the 1/4 I bought in a 6-pack. I think it was like $7.99 or $6.99. And the one on the top with the 1/4 to 3/8 I bought in a 2-pack. I think that was $6.99 for a 2-pack of those. I think there was a couple different ones that were maybe a little cheaper, but look at this options, guys. So take off the 1/4 to 3/8, take the 1/4 to 1/4 off the bottom, put the 1/4 to 1/4 on top, tighten it down, put the 1/4 to 3/8 on the bottom, and you are good to go. No tinging. And you've got your options. Now I've got my 1/4 to 1/4. So guys, hopefully that helps you. If you bought one of these things, this is an easy fix for it. The cost difference like I said before, the cost difference between this, and I'll put that up in the corners also for you right now, the cost difference between this one and the Lone Wolf, and this one fixes the issues I was having. May have repeating myself, but where I was flipping it when you're trying to tighten it onto the tree, when you're trying to get that strap, they fixed that with the Beast Gear. They fixed the bolt problem going into the tree because they've got a round head on here. So for the price difference, which to me was substantial, this little investment I had to make in these little heads, and it gives me the options of the different heads, is well worth it, guys. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for the support. And we are getting, I think we're like 340 away from 10,000 subscribers. So probably do a giveaway when I get up to 10, but thank you so much for sticking with me, guys. And hopefully we're gonna have some great content coming up. Got a new 4K video camera. Gonna be out in the turkey woods tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to get that kill on video. Yes, I'm being very optimistic. I'm going to shoot one tomorrow. I've got 5 days to do it for this first season. All right, guys, so I will see you later. Have an awesome day. Remember, get outdoors every day, guys. I will see you later. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.